Hey guys, I'm going to do another quick video here showing you how I'm going to go about attaching these settings. You saw me making the rivets in the last video, so now I'm going to show you how I'm using them to attach these. As you can see, I've got my piece here, dropped my hammer. I've went ahead and attached a couple of these just to hold this plate in place so it doesn't move around, make it easier while I'm filming this. Went ahead and drilled the holes where I'm going to put a couple of these. Got my tiny rivet here that you saw me make in the last video, and a little 3mm bezel cup with a hole drilled in it that I'm going to attach here. So, let's get started. First thing we want to do, take tweezers and put the rivet in the hole. Hopefully this will all show up on here. It's small work, I know, so it's kind of hard to see. Try and keep my hands out of the way too so you can actually see it. Or I can drop my rivet. Grab another one here. There we go. Push that down in there best we can. Hammer set it a little bit. There. Now, let me tell you, I've got a little half moon punch driver here I made. We use that to push this down and get everything set in place. There we go. As you can see, that's exposed the pin on that rivet there. Take a pointier tool here, bend that a little bit to where I want it, if I can. There we go. Now we take our bezel cup, set it on that rod, push it down in place. There we go. We've got a bit sticking up through there. Now I'm going to take another punch I have here. This is just a straight 3mm round one, same size as that bezel cup. And that will be our driver, our hammer, that flattens the head on this rivet. Just set that in there. A little bit of an angle so it starts off kind of folding over, and we straighten up. Ta-da! Set. Hardly even see it. Flattened it perfect with that bezel cup. Our stone will set right in that. Now we just have to do that all the way around here, and then again for each of the individual settings that I made for the other stones. Alright, thanks a lot.